Is it recording? What's up, guys? In today's video, I'm gonna be going over how you choose your tags for your Etsy product listings. And no, not anything else, just that. So let's get into this video. What's up, guys? My name is Hannah Gardner, and if you are new to the channel, welcome. In this channel, I talk about mainly e-commerce and how to build a brand online, but also a lot of entrepreneurship stuff as well. So if that is what you're into, please go ahead and smash that subscribe button because I'm putting out videos regularly. So as you know, keywords in your titles, tags, and descriptions determine where your product is going to show up inside of Etsy. You, as the entrepreneur, as the store owner, need to be making sure that you're choosing your keywords, your titles, your tags, and making your descriptions with the proper keywords so that you're not only one, getting ranked for the right keywords, but also choosing them where it's a keyword product fit. So that means that whatever they have in their mind that they're envisioning is an actual product fit for what your product is. Long story short, you don't want to be using titles, tags, descriptions with keywords that aren't what your product is or that don't fit what your product is, because then you're just gonna be wasting impressions and wasting keyword space inside of your Etsy listing, which means you're gonna be forfeiting sales. I'm gonna hop into my computer right now and show you really fast what I do when I'm choosing my tags. Okay, so the first thing that I'm gonna do is I'm going to think of a really broad keyword that describes the product that I'm launching. So say I want to launch a wall print, and it's kind of more in the boho vibe, you know, wall decor vibe, whatever. But instead of putting boho wall print, I'm just going to put wall print. So that's a really broad key term. And the reason why I want to go for a broader key term first is because broader key terms usually get higher search volume. So even though it's not super specific, I still want to see that's getting the most search volume. I typed in the keyword here, wall print. I'm going to look through the first page here, and I am going to see which wall print really kind of emulates a similar vibe to what the wall print that I'm making. So I said that I'm going to launch a boho wall print. So I'm going to look for one that kind of has like a boho vibe feel to it. Kind of something like this, I would say, or something like that. And because I have my Everbee Chrome extension here, that's what this Chrome bar is here. This is something that you can actually check out in my link, but you're going to need this tool to be able to do this type of research properly. There is a free plan, so just check it out. I'm gonna show you here in a second what it does. Click on this little B at the bottom of the screen here, key data points on this listing. So this is pretty boho, this is pretty boho. As you can see, this is ranked on the first page. You can see these are the types of tags that this listing is using in their tags area. So I'm not saying to go and copy this listing verbatim. I'm not saying copy the product by any means, but I am curious about what the top sellers for this product are doing and what keywords they're using. So as you can see, these are some of the tags. So I would copy these tags, maybe throw them in a spreadsheet, use them in my own listing and put them in not only the title and the description, but also obviously in the tags. This Chrome extension here will also do really like other cool things. Like I can do an analytics for this entire page here. And when I click the analytics, it's gonna pull all the data for that whole page for the keyword wall print here. I just found that listing that showed me the exact tags, and I did it for wall print because it was super broad and I wanted to see what keywords were ranking for wall print for the product that most closely resembled my boho vibe wall print as well. But now I want to see who is ranking for a more specific keyword like boho wall print. So I typed in boho wall print here, and now I'm going to use my Everbee Chrome extension and I'm going to pull the analytics for the entire page. I'm going to really analyze what the top salesperson is doing for the boho wall print, which is more specific. It may mean that the search volume is a little bit less, but I'm still curious to know because wall print and boho wall print really resembles, you know, on a broad view of what my print is that I'm going to be making. Let's see. So this is not a wall print at all. So I'm going to go to the next one. What is printable vintage wall art set? It's a digital print. This is what you're getting. This is a little bit more vintage actually. So it's a vintage print, set of 9. These are the tags they're using. Still kind of fits into the realm of what I'll be selling. So I would be interested in looking at these tags as well. Let's see what this one is. This is the third bestseller. You know, this is kind of boho as well. Let's see what tags they're using. So essentially what I would do, just like on the first one with the broad key term, I would come out here and take all these tags and I would copy them, put them into a Google sheet, and at the end of maybe pulling 4 or 5 lists of tags from some of the top sellers, I would really go down that list and really analyze which ones are product fit for my listing. So not all of these really match what mine are. Like I would maybe say some of this, maybe if I'm not selling it a set of 3, like I'm not doing a 3 set poster print thing, I wouldn't make that a tag. Or maybe mine didn't have flowers in it. I wouldn't, you have to, you know, make that higher level decision of, okay, well, that's not really keyword product fit. If I'm just launching the listing, I do want to make sure that I am looking at these top sellers and what tags they're using. And if the tags do make sense, I would go ahead and use some of those tags. Say you go and you collect lists of tags from 3 or 4 of your top competitors, then I would say if there's something more specific about whatever you're selling, I would go ahead and make that higher level choice of putting in some keywords that are specific to your listing. So again, you're not copying, you're not stealing, you're not doing anything against your competition. You're just pulling the data points of what are the keywords that are working for your competition and then also putting them in your listing if it makes sense as well. So that is what I would do if I was doing keyword research for my tags, my titles, and my description for my own listings. I hope you guys get a lot of value out of this video. If you enjoyed this video, comment down below. And if you have any questions or any other videos that you're interested in me making, make sure you comment those as well. And I'll see you guys in the next video.